So this is the Brio roller coaster set.
It's not. I did not call that.
What do you call it?
The drop roller coaster.
It's the drop roller coaster per Eli. So this was Eli's Christmas present.
It has a lift, a big lift here, and drop here.
Cool.
Your turn, Dad.
Okay. Yay. So here's the box.
Did you have anything else for Christmas, Eli, or is that it?
That's it.
This is all Eli wants for Christmas. He had a really good Christmas.
Let's make it around the hill, Dad.
It made it around the hill?
Yeah. Isn't that good?
Yeah.
Your turn. Daddy, watch this.
What are you doing?
Your turn.
So this goes together pretty quickly. And
Your
it
turn,
even has
Daddy.
the entry queue and exit line and a height chart. Make sure you're tall enough to ride.
And these guys are tall enough to ride. Like that?
Yes. Comes with 2 guys and 2 roller coaster cars. And it almost makes it around the track. Wonder if it was on a hardwood floor, if it would make it all the way around.
Oh no!
And sometimes there's accidents, but these guys are tough and they get right back on.
Yeah. So
No hospital trip for them.
Yeah, because it is a fun roller coaster.
Eli, what's your favorite roller coaster?
This.
This is your favorite roller coaster?
Yeah, your turn!
My turn, okay. What about Junior Gemini
And Comet.
and Comet? You love Comet. Is that your favorite
Yeah.
roller coaster?
And I call this one Comet too.
This is Comet 2?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I call this one the Lift Comet.
The lift Comet. Because it doesn't have a chain lift. It has an escalator lifter or something.
It is one, Daddy.
Eli loves the Comet at Waldemere in Erie, Pennsylvania.
Your turn, Daddy. Okay, Dad.
Okay,
This one is going.
he's going. Do the guys have names?
Yes.
What are their names?
Greeny and bluey.
Greeny and Bluey. That's the color shirts they have on?
Yeah.
Well, that makes it easy. We won't get them confused unless you're colorblind. Uh-oh.
Woo!
I think some of the safety mechanisms on this roller coaster are not fully functional. Good thing these guys are tough. Which one fell off earlier? Was that Greeny?
Yeah. I mean, bluey.
Bluey fell off, but he was okay. He fell off the lift hill and he was okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So he got back on and tried again.
Is that what you do when you fall? Get up and
Yeah.
try again? Good job. You want to say bye to the camera?
Bye. Dressed up in costumes.
So what else do you get for Christmas, Eli? Who's that guy there? Is that a Lego guy in a shark suit?
Yes.
That is really cool. And he's going to be the ride operator?
Yeah.
Awesome.
We're going to be tennis Halloween.
It's Halloween. He's dressed up like a shark for Halloween. Awesome.
See, he can't wait until the
That's a really awesome Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
Thank you.
Your turn!
Oh, sorry.
My turn.
Your turn? Okay. Oh, you're doing the green guy again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I could be the tester and this is the watcher.
Cool.
Your turn.
Okay, it's Sharky's turn. Uh-oh. Need to back the trains up so Sharky can get on. Uh-oh. His tail's not letting him fit in the seat. Maybe he's going to have to take off his helmet. There we go. He does not... He has two heads. Two faces, rather, on this one head. So it kind of looks weird. There we go. Is he going to make it around or is he going to fall out? Oh no, he fell out. Is he okay? He's over there, Eli.
Maybe he started ride it.
Maybe he shouldn't ride it. Oh, but is he going to ride again anyways?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's going. No, he's not tall enough.
Oh no, he's not tall enough. That's why he fell out. It was too small. Oh dear. Maybe we should put him back on his stand and put his helmet back on.
Yeah.
All right.
Come on. Let's get him back home. Ah! His helmet fell off.
Sorry, Sharky, you're not tall enough. Is that sad, Eli, when you're not tall enough to
Yeah.
ride? Yeah.
Let's see, these guys are tall enough.
Okay. Are they?
Yes.
They are. Okay. Sharky can watch.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's the watcher.
Sharky's watching.
He wanted to ride it because he thought it was fun.
It is?
Now he
Yeah.
can't.
Sorry.
Oopsie.
Is that guy okay?
Yes.
All right.
Baby, these guys fall off because their seatbelts were not on.
Yeah. I gotta pull the lap bar down.
The rope,
Oh dear.
but his,
He's okay.
I did not know
He's
they
okay.
can fall when the rapper is on too.
Yeah.
That's really weird.
It's really weird. All right.
All right.
Yay. That was a fun
Getting
ride.
back in line.
Okay.
Oh, hand up. Because it's a fun roller coaster.
Do you put your hands up on Comet, Eli?
Yes.
Yes.
Because it's a fun roller coaster.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, he gets to ride them back.
Yay.
Do you like Comet?
I do like Comet. It's a fun roller coaster.
Yeah, Papa hates Comet because he thinks it's so scary.
I thought Papa loves Comet. Doesn't he ride it with you all the time?
Yes, but I make him go on it.
You make him go on it? How many times do you make him go on Comet?
A lot of times.
A lot of times. How many times? Did you ride it 20 times our last visit to Waldemere?
Yeah.
With Papa? Mostly with
Yeah.
Papa? He didn't get a break? Oh dear. Was Papa dizzy?
Yeah.
Ah.
He got sick on it.
Oh dear.
But
You need to take a break?
Yeah. We took a break and
Uh-oh. The sign's falling over. We can fix that. Yay. You took a break and then he rode more?
yeah.
That's good.
Are going to go.
Okay. So we bought this at Sir Troy's Toy Kingdom, and with any Brio purchase, you also get this train here. So we're gonna try it out on the roller coaster and see if it makes it around. Uh-oh. We had another incident with the roller coaster car falling off the track at the top of the lift hill. Oh, does that need?
I know.
Right here, just need to get that into the, need to get that flat.
Daddy, the roller this coming.
Yeah?
The better.
Okay, I get out of the way. Alright, now it's the new Brio Train. We'll give that a try.
Oopsie.
That one has magnets.
I know.
Yay!
But these two cars are the only one that binded to the roller coaster.
Okay.
Okay, let's try this man one more time.
You want to try the shark guy? But he's not tall enough. We don't want him to fall out and get hurt.
He wouldn't.
He wouldn't? Okay.
He can try his best.
He can try his best to not die.
He will try his best to not fall.
Okay, sounds
See,
good.
forgot.
He's not tall enough.
Actually, he is.
He is. Oh, is he right on the line?
Actually, he's not, but he's
Ma-
going to try.
He's going to try to hold on and not die.
First, okay, these cars go.
Oh,
They are okay because they are big guys.
they are okay because they are big guys. Awesome.
Oopsie.
Boy, I am concerned about the track record of this. Seems to have a lot of safety issues, Eli.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, Merry Christmas, Eli.
Merry Christmas to you.
Thank you. I love you.
Love you too.
Thank you.